Hello everyone, welcome back to the live trading session today. Yeah, time flies so fast and another Friday we're here. Yeah, we have here together trading real time the last session of the week. Hello my friends. Thank you so much for joining in the stream today so on time. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, let's take a broader view for the gold. Yeah, for gold price today, you can see that it's still under a lot of selling pressure until now. And the current peak, yeah, the highest price that gold can reach recently, yeah, last Wednesday was 34.38. Yeah, 34.38. You can see that the market moving sideways in this price zone. And this candle breakdown to below border, and this is the confirmation from the market that the sellers dominated the market until now. Okay, so I hope that no one still hold any buy order from the entry zone 38. Yeah. Okay, so now you can see that in the New York session, it still keep on falling down. Prices keep on decreasing. Yeah, to a below level. Okay, let's check in a bigger time frame like 4 hour. Okay, so we can see here this is a trend line upward here. 70. Yeah, this is in the 4 hour chart. Okay, let me delete this rectangle box. And now it's keep on heading down, and we have another trend line connecting from the lows, yeah, from the nearer lows together, and this forming a trend line. Okay, so let me change the colors for you to easily distinguish. Which color? Purple. Okay, this one. Yeah, it seems like the market is keep on moving sideways at the moment, and we will wait for the better entry zone around 33, 37. Okay, 33, 37 to set up another buy scalping signal for today's stream. It's heading down to above level. And here is our setup for today. Okay, let me zoom it out for you. The market just keep on forming very tiny candle, yeah, with a small body. So it's just under a strong bullish bearish momentum before we start our stream today. Okay, so at the moment all the candles are still below the EMAs. You can see that this is indicate for the current downtrend of gold. Okay, it was this created fair value gap here. Yeah, so this is lack of liquidity around here. So market will soon cover this gap. Yeah, in case it have enough bullish momentum. Yeah, to increase again, and also it also need a combination between very special news relating to geopolitical tensions or military war, yeah, between the hottest countries area. And before I started my stream today in the VIP signal group, they currently have a buy scalping signal at the entry zone 40 to 38. Yeah, 33.40 to 33.38. And so far we're gaining around 50 pips, and now it's heading up to the entry zone. Okay, it's kind of bitty because if I started my stream earlier a bit, I could like to let you re-enter once again. Yeah, but now it's run already. Okay, so we will wait for price heading down to the positions to the entry zone 33.37. Okay, 33.37. Hello, my friends. Oh, I deleted. Okay, so let's see for the current reactions of gold when it's heading back to this resistance. Yeah, the support now became the resistance. Okay, I really want to have another scalping signal for you immediately, but now the market didn't approve for our decision at the moment. Yeah, because the signal, the entry zone active already before I started my stream today. And yeah, as usual, if you want to receive more and more scalping signal to trade, welcome to VIP signal group of Golden Girl. And 3 EMAs is now kind of far away from each other. Yeah, and price is still below here. Yeah, there's a distance between the candles and EMA 34. Yeah, this is the EMA 34. Okay, the pink line. Yeah, the pink line on the chart is the XY index. Yeah, this is the USD strengthen. So you can say that currently this line is heading down, right? And it will go against to the momentum of gold. And another factor for you to compare, yeah, and do analysis when you observe the chart, observe the gold chart. The XY USD strength, and this index is usually go against to gold price. Hi my friends. Okay, the current viewers keep on increasing. Thank you very much. And now I'm waiting for gold to set up another good position for us to enter the scalping signal today. Be patient. Be patient with the golden girl. Thank you. Okay, meanwhile, waiting for the chart. For the market price running, let's take a look at the Forex Factory. We always check. We always check for Forex Factory calendar before we started to trade, right? And was yesterday unemployment claims. Yeah, unemployment claim uh, decrease compared with the forecast and previous. So this is the good signal for USDs, and another factor that keep gold decreasing. And you can see that 4 news, two are green, and two are red. So this candle, the market sweep two sides up and down, so it's easily hit out the stop loss whenever you support buyers or sellers. And this is the reason why that is very dangerous when we trade news immediately when news release. Right? I always remind you that we should wait for around 15 minutes to 20 minutes. And let's see today if are there any special news. Okay, so it's just two orange news. Just two orange news. And okay, so just around 15 minutes later that this news release. But these are just orange news, so let's say that the market have brief a small low liquidity or low volatility, or it will cause a very big engulfing candles. Okay, we will wait and see. Around 15 minutes to go. Now actually that the orange news, that it still have big effect to gold market. Okay. It's kind of boring because when we start the stream and the market moving sideways in the entry zone, no, not entry at the moment, in the zone 40 to 41. And next week is kind of busy, and I will have another trading session with you. Live trading with you next Wednesday and Friday. Okay, it's about non-farm employment change. I see. Next week we will have ATP non-farm. Right. One of the most important news of the month. Advanced GDPs as well. Oh, we do not have. Let me check non-farm payrolls. Non-farm employment change. Friday, August 1. Oh, the day I have streamed with you is the time that there will be two important news. Okay, I see. So next week, in the beginning of the new month, so it's gonna be busy for us. It's keep on heading up. Okay, so now it's still follow to the buy signal. Yeah, buy signal according to my VIP signal group. Hello. Okay, we will wait for this entry zone. Yeah, another entry zone for you for buy scalping signal around 33, 37 to 36. Yeah, but now it's still under the bullish momentum. And yesterday was a big win day of our channel. Yeah, Golden Girl, Gold Trading Plan. You can see that the summarized table that I insert on the right side of the chart. Yeah, my gold trading plan has reached around 200 pips. Yeah, 230 pips from the buy signal 54, 33.54 to 33.56. So I still remember last time that there was someone complain about the signal, complain about my signal. I don't know how to say because I just keep on repeat and repeat. Yeah, and it will make you boring because I just keep on repeat and repeat for it. One sentence is that trading is probability. No one can make sure 100% win rate just in one signal, right? So if you just enter randomly for the signal, and it's gonna be easy to have the stop loss order. So that is the reason why you need to do it frequently. Yeah, you need to observe our gold trading chart every day, and if you decided to enter the trade, you need to do it frequently. Okay, don't just just enter a random trade and you blame on me on my fault. Yeah, that's just ridiculous because just a basic lesson experience when we trade gold. Yeah, and especially we are scalpers, so just blame on one failed signal is that really not good mindset for any scalpers. And I just noticed that on Wednesday stream, right after I ended my stream, there was someone that I still remember. His name is Mino. Yeah, Mino. But she did not in my VIP member list. So this is gonna be an alert for me. So anyone can be scammers. Yeah, they fake as like they are VIP members from Nova Scalpers group. So this is gonna be how to say an alert for me and my team to pay attention to for the scammers. Yeah, they just put the negative comments on the chat box, and this is the fake news. Yeah, actually the fake news because she did not exist in the VIP members list. So I'm not sure for the information she provided is correct or not. So you should stay awake to receive any information when you hear any information from others people. Okay, only when you have enough experience, you have enough time in my community and also in my VIP signal group, you will have yourself your opinion. Okay, so thank you very much for always being giving compliments or supporting me so far, and I'm very grateful for anyone being positive, yeah, and being supporting. And I know that for stop loss order will cause you irritated sometimes, right? And yeah, so am I. I really understand this because my account, you know that I show you my trading account result last time. There are still losses order, but I accept it. Yeah, that is the part of the game, and just be disciplined and follow the risk reward ratio. So anything can make sure it's gonna be okay for you. Okay, so never give hope and never bet all in one trade. Okay, I would like to repeat one more time because I know that there's a lot of beginners join in my stream today every single time I have stream. So that is the reason why I keep on repeat and repeat. Okay, so I really hope that you will understand and practice. Yeah, practice to have more stable mindset and psychology when you choose to become a gold scalper. Okay, good luck. Okay, hi HHM. Okay, I will instruct you how to add DXY on the chart. You click to this plus symbol here. Okay, follow my mouse here. This is the plus symbol in a circle. Click here and you choose DXY. Okay, and new price scale. Remember to click new price scale. Okay, and then it will exist like this. So it's very simple. Oh, my friend, did you is it okay for you to follow my instruction about installing the XY index on the chart? Okay, my pleasure. Yeah, just you can see that it's just have the bearish down and this line heading up, right? It's usually move against. Yeah, move against to each other. Okay, so I will let you know about the limit order on the chart for you to get ready. Okay, so this is our new entry zone by gold signal 33.37 to 33.36. Yeah, it is, especially when you choose wrong direction of gold. Do you know? Yeah, do you still remember last Wednesday that we have buy signal at the entry zone around 34.20? Yeah, at the same level. But when we have enough profits, like around 30 pips or 50 pips, that is very okay for us to close that trade. If you're a swing trader, you choose the wrong direction. Yeah, and the stop loss you set more than 10 price. So isn't it you suffer a lot of losses, right? So scalping is still the most suitable, yeah, the most suitable trade for everyone. Yeah, to make sure it's safe. Just around 20 pips. For anyone just around 20 pips, it's okay for them to close the trade because their trading lot is huge. Yeah, more than one lot, something like that. So they just enter a lot of trades, yeah, with a small taking profit. So it's gonna be make sure for them to trade safety. Yeah, I also received the comments about my friends. Yeah, I'm sorry that I do not remember your name, but I also received they show us they show me the 20 pips is okay for them to close the trade. Yeah, the result. So that is fine. That is fine because we are just scalpers. Small profits is okay for us to close the trade. Okay, because our trading volume is big. Yeah, it's big. Okay, so now game set and get ready. Set the limit order and wait for the market active our trading signal. It's kind of boring, right? When we have trade, I choose the New York session, but it seems like today is Friday, so the market is kind of quiet. Yeah, and a few minutes later, it will have two orange new today. Where is the mouse? Okay, so let me choose the correct day. Yeah, two orange new about USD. Around 3 minutes later, it will release this economy data. Okay, so now around four price, yeah, around four price left, that is gonna hit our entry zone. And remember to set a stop loss for every trade that you decided to in. I'm not sure if this signal will be active in today's session, in today's live trading session or not, because price is really quiet. Yeah, the price is really quiet now. So it's gonna be a blowed up, yeah, an explosion today when news release. But these are just orange news. Hi, Grant. I guess that you are new to my stream today, right? Okay, so let me allow me to introduce myself that I am now living in France with my family at the moment. Okay, and I'm a half Asian. Half Asian. Okay, thank you so much for your concern. Okay, Pralat, good luck to all of us. Okay, so now it's counting down. Yeah, the clock is counting down to the current signal, to the current economy data. News are coming. Yeah, it is. But this is just orange news, so this is not a for me that it will not cause a lot of volatility today. Pending. So it's lower than previous. Okay, once it's good for USD. Yeah, you can see that's when news released. Yeah, gold is just keep on steadily stable. Yeah, it's freeze. The price it seems like freeze. Do not have the big volatility, high volatility at the moment. Okay, anyway, we're still waiting for the below entry zone 37 to 36. Instead of in case of it's heading up to the current EMA area, yeah, 49, I will consider to keep this signal until the end of the New York session. Yeah, and as usual that today is Friday and there are not traders trading on today. So the market is kind of quiet. Yeah, it's not noisy. It wasn't noisy like from Monday to Thursday. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, so I would like to turn off the DXY index to make the chart more simple to observe. Okay, hide it. Yeah. So you can see that all my chart is super simple. It just indicates the only indicators that I'm using to do analysis is EMA. Yeah. And then I draw the resistance, support zone, confluence with the trend line, and sometimes I also using for extension, yeah, or Fibonacci retracement, yeah, that's zone, or Dow theory. But in case that you already know about it, this is the very strong resistance of gold because it cannot break out to the 44, 34, 38 level. I still remember that time when it's hit for the level 34, 40, when US decided to fight Iran, right? Iran. That military war news cannot help gold break out for that level. So the level 34, 43, yeah, to 34, 38 is very specific resistance zone that we need to observe in the future. Okay guys, now gold is heading down. Okay, it's just heading down to the level 33, yeah, 33, 39. Two price left that our entry zone will be active. Positive or negative? Yeah, this is the positive news for USD. Yes, another factor that helps gold, that make gold under the selling pressure. Keep on under the selling pressure. Okay, so now gold is heading down, and let's wait. You can see the trend line that I draw from the 4-hour chart. So this time we will do this trade. Yeah, we will have this signal based on the trend line for our chart. Okay, so let's go back to a 15-minute time frame to see what is going on in smaller time frame. Are you ready, my friend? Did you set the limit order for the current entry zone yet? Okay, so today the market is enough quiet, so do not let our chat box is the same situation. Okay? Where are you? Where are you? Anyone set the limit order for this trade? Okay, so now it's going to keep on heading down. And I just have nearly 25 minutes left to have stream with you again. Okay, hi, BYT. Oh, this is the first time I saw your name on the chat box. Hi, Hamza. Okay, good luck to all of us. Okay, get ready. Now we're waiting for the signal active. Okay, another advice for you now is we can decide it for small lots. Buy at the entry zone 33.38. Okay, stop loss 5 price from the entry zone 33.38. All right. Yeah, sorry that I I have to take care from hundreds of members. So allow my apologies. So if I do not remember you, very sorry. Okay. It's keep on decreasing at the moment. Okay, so now we are waiting for the first entry zone active. Now just avoid missing for this entry zone. Okay. Now we observe the chart trading real time together. And yeah, I believe that this will help you more confident in your trading today. Heading down. Heading down. 6 pips left. Why is it moving sideways whenever I have streamed with you? Yeah, I decided to stream in the New York session to see price moving faster than London and Asia, but it seems like the market is still moving sideways. Yeah, and it's really required for our patience. Really. Let's see this time. Yeah, for the next candle, it's gonna hit our entry zone or not. Ooh. Okay, I just saw 38.1. 38.1. Really bad. Yeah, I think so. It's like a curse, right? Like curse like previous times. That's boring. Okay, so now we need to wait for this candle. 1 pip left. It's very close to our entry zone. Okay, so I will move the signal down. Yeah, okay, so we're active for our first signal, for our first entry zone. Remember to set the stop loss order and do not enter a lot of layers if you are not getting familiar to trade like that. heading up. You're waiting 33.37. Yeah, that's okay if you want to trade safe. So now let's keep on. Okay, it's just around our entry zone, so no worries about it. Yeah, if you set the stop loss order and do the risk management well, no need to worry about. If you have another better entry zone when it come back to your previous position, just close the bad position. Okay, close the bad position and just hold for the good one only. So that is gonna spell. It's gonna be a spell for you. Must remember when you trade, especially in the New York session. So if you trade, you focus, you enter the trade, we need to focus on the chart. Yeah, everything gonna be happen, especially in the New York session. Okay, so it's just moving around in entry zone. It still have chance. So anyone still not get in, you still have time to get in. Get it smaller. Yeah, this is our entry zone. Okay, I would like to replace this by a rectangle here. Okay, heading up. Close the bad positions, everyone. Close the bad position. Alright, our first 20 pips from the entry zone 36. Closed entry 38. My friend. Yay, another victory for us today. So this time, yeah, the trend lines for our chart is really work. Wow, that's so amazing. Congratulations, all of us. Okay, so as you wish got 30 pips, you can close a part of the trade and hold the rest for the further taking profit, okay? Congratulations! So now I'm so happy that I cannot calculate the running pips. Okay, so it's on the fly, it's on the sky. Yeah, 30 pips actually. 40 pips. Okay, so fast. 40 pips. Actually, that 45. Yeah, 45 already. So our patience is already get good results, right? Trend is our friend. Okay, especially in the big time frame like 4 hour. Yeah, it's easily, and it's also high chance, high probability to get effective. Okay, so now it's still heading up. Another 55 pips for us. PE and okay, that's very good, Mike. Yeah, just remember very short spell. Yeah, like I always repeat on my stream every single time that this will work when you become a scalper. Yeah, close the bad positions and just hold for the good one. And when it's actually for 30 pips that you can close the part of the trade. Yeah, just running around like that. So no worries about it, right? So today is very lovely Friday. Yeah, very lovely Friday. That's good. always have magic. And today, touch good that my VIP signal group that having continuous winning pips, winning signals, from the Asian session until New York session, until now. So what are you waiting for? Welcome to the VIP signal group of Golden Girl. Okay, I'm waiting for all of you. Okay, so now let's have the reactions at the current resistance. Okay, too much joy today. Closed. Okay, so welcome to VIP signal group of Golden Girl. But if you want to receive more qualified scalping signal to trade from Asian, London, and New York session, okay, I hope that next week we will see each other again. Okay, so today we had too much fun, and I believe that we all have gift, right? To have gifts to celebrate our weekend, right? Okay, so now let's take your time to relax. Especially my friends in Asia. It's kind of late now, right? And after this victory, that I would like to end my stream earlier a bit now. So enjoy your weekend, and thank you so much for joining my stream today. Have a lovely weekend. See you next time. Okay, so that luckily that I didn't click to the stop streaming button. And my schedule next week will be Wednesday and Friday. Okay, streaming live real time with you. And for about time, I still consider. I'm still consider, and I will announce to all of you soon. Okay, you can join our community on Telegram to receive the notification about my stream schedule. Okay, I put a link in the description box, and you can copy it, paste it to your saved message on Telegram, and then you click to that link, and it will direct you to our community on Telegram. Alright, see you then. Thank you. Happy weekend.